Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to install and use SoundCloud on our Google TV. This may also work for updated Android TV devices too. So let's check it out. Google TV or SoundCloud might change the steps for doing all this in the future. If the settings look different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will provide the updated steps for this. I created my first SoundCloud account years back. I used to upload several movie BGM files there. It is a good platform to stream music and get connected with artists. We will see how to use this on our Google TV now. First, we have to download and install the SoundCloud application on our Google TV. We can go to the Play Store or the app section, search for this app and install this. Once we open the app, we will get a screen like this. We can do this activation through our mobile or desktop web browser. I will do this on our desktop and show you now. So now on our web browser, we have to go to secure.soundcloud.com/activate. Then log in using our current SoundCloud account, or we can create a new one. Then we have to enter the code shown on our TV. This code will refresh after every 5 minutes. So we have to enter the current code shown on our TV. Okay, we can confirm the device name here and then select yes, activate this device. That's all. Now this should reflect on our TV as well. So this is how the SoundCloud application will look on our Google TV. We have two options here, library and search. On our library, we can see the play history. If we go to this profile picture icon, we get the sign out option. We can also search for any specific track we want. I'll search for movie BGM. So we can see several tracks here. We can select the one we want and we can play this. That's all. These are the steps to install and use SoundCloud on Google TV. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.